Well, a helicopter, that sounds very serious.
Yeah.
When an ambulance won't do.
So there was an accident and we're waiting for the helicopter. They're cleaning the road for the helicopter. I don't know if this is from the accident. So all the way over there. That's right there. There are people on the floor. She's gonna have to use the bathroom. That seems serious. The helicopter is here picking up the patient. We're waiting.
Oh, it's a toy car. What's coming out the back of it?
Whoa, nasty. No wonder they had to clean, sweep it up. There's the RIC rescue helicopter.
Oh, thank God for the RIC helicopter.
Oh,
Safe journey. Take care.
I have never seen
Take
such
care,
a bomb.
everybody. Be careful.
Ah.
Slow down.
What happened to that car? Did it just go in the ditch or what?
Yeah,
Got a lot of stuff in there.
yeah, it's one of those cameras.
They're unstable in the back. Just
no, lost
They're kind of
control.
old people.
This is it. That's it.
What do you want? He wants camping.
And yeah, I've been wanting camping for a while. So one bed, and then push them together, cuddle.
And we put this cuddling with you there.
Yeah.
Look at that tree.
Where?
Look at that.
Where?
This thick one.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's a thick one.
It's a beautiful forest.
And it smells pretty good.
Okay.
And you should supposed to do that.
This is the campsite. Yes, I know. That's what I was going to tell you, but it was already too late. And this is the campsite. And we're gonna go eat. Say hi. Can you hold it? Show me.
Okay,
Okay.
please.
Can you see my face?
No, it's dark.
Okay, first night in middle of a forest. It's our first time ever camping.
Your first time.
You've camped before? Not like this?
I did, Wolkie.
Okay, my first time ever. First night. And everything is great. Everything's perfect. We just showed the pillows. I made that pillow. Look at that. It's got t-shirts in it.
No, this is just a
This is my
thick winter
yeah.
jacket.
Look at that. Yeah.
That's
Yeah, hold on. Let me just. Yep. This is how you make a pillow.
and that's a t-shirt.
I made that too.
So this has
That
a
is a pillow,
jacket towel.
and we have everything else. We got the food, we got the cosmetics in there, and that's just my backpack. It's nothing exciting, but yeah, cool. Good night.
Good night. It's completely dark.
How's it now?
No one sees you still.
Can you see my face now?
That's scary
Can you
because
see me now?
though it's scary because everything is dark around and then your face shows up.
Good night, guys.
Night.
I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna be walking all day.
7 hours.
7 hours from sunrise to sunset, and
Come
You
on.
might be blocking the microphone.
Oh shit.
You might be blocking the microphone. So tomorrow we're gonna be walking 7 hours from sunrise till sunset,
From Augusta Lighthouse
and we're gonna be walking
on
how
the
long?
beach.
More than 20 kilometers.
21.
21. More than 21 kilometers. Same
No,
thing.
21. You said more than 20.
21 kilometers to be exact. Okay, cool. All right. Good night.
You see just your curly hair and your nose. It's so, it's so creepy.
Okay.
Alright, it's enough.
I think we have about 2 more hours of sunlight left. 2. Nothing, Jackie. We're gonna have to keep walking.